It's hot, it's summer, so let's have a picnic. A glam picnic. What is a glam picnic, you say? It's a picnic that's a little extra. Since I have to have this picnic indoors, I have a large throw spread out on the floor, a wooden crate to hold my illumination feature of this picnic for ambiance. And this is the lantern that I've chosen to use in my Boho Glam picnic. I love the shape of this, and I think this will be really gorgeous, filled with beautiful flowers at the bottom. So I've chosen a bunch of Sola wood flowers in beautiful pale peaches, mauves, light minty greens, ivory, very natural like colors. And there's an affiliate link in the description box if you'd like to order some at a discount. It goes directly to the Solawood website. I love the way they look in this lantern, and then adding a bit of fairy lights just for a nice spiral of light all around just makes it even better. Violet's DIY style, our great hostess. She's super creative and makes crafts in farmhouse and glam styles, as well as doing high-end dupes. Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World, she's talented as well. She does thrift flips, hauls, and farmhouse decor. Links to their channels and the playlist are in the description box. I would like a few pillows for this glam picnic, and I found these nice little rugs at DollarTree. They have a really nice texture to them. I love this zigzag pattern, and the cute tassels to me just fit in with a bohemian type style. So I lined up all of the seams, popped the tag, and I used hot glue and Aleene's tacky glue just for the sake of the video. After I finished, I did go back with some heavy thread and stitch up all of the sides. After I finished with the first two sides, I used polyfill from an old pillow, and then I sealed the remaining side closed. Repeated the same steps with the second rug. So I'm going to make a few cascading floating flowers using twine and Sola flowers. And to bling it up a bit, I'm going to use some of these adhesive gemstones. I found these at Walmart, and I'm going to use different sizes. Some of them will be medium, some of them will be really small, and I just want to place a gem inside of the flower. Like that. And then maybe a smaller one in the next. So there's a little sparkle. So now that all the gems have been added, and I really love the holographic sparkle, I'm going to add them to a piece of twine. And I had already just pulled the twine down in front of the crate to see about how long I needed to measure it. And I'm adding them at just varying intervals. And once I finish with adding them, I'm going to put them on to a piece of craft stick, and this will be the anchor that will hold them onto the crate. I'll drop the craft stick into one of the slats on the crate, and that's how it's going to anchor them, and that way they can just cascade down the front. I repeated this twice more, so I have a total of 3 cascading down.
I don't
don't have a champagne bucket, but I'm going to use this plastic bowl from Dollar Tree. Add a bit of Dollar Tree diamond wrap to give myself a little blingy receptacle to add some ice and a bottle of Prosecco. So I'm just starting out by adding just a little of this hot glue to the first row of the diamond wrap, and I just skipped around at different intervals, adding more. This is a plastic bowl. It's a thin Dollar Tree plastic bowl, so I really don't know how it's going to react if I try to put high heat hot glue all the way around. So I just skipped around and added just enough to keep the diamond wrap on to the top of the bowl so I would have a nice little shimmer. Time for ice and Prosecco. Mirrored chargers to glam up my place settings. We're having a fruit board at this Boho Glam picnic. Wow, I'm a really fast fruit slicer. This will be very tasty with that chilled Prosecco. And now the final reveal. Here's our lantern with our lovely Sola wood flowers and fairy lights in. Flowers cascading over this crate like they're floating with little gems inside. Delicious fruit slice on this board. Glam charger. Nice comfy boho pillows. Prosecco chilling. Very nice setup for a great picnic. Got some boho touches. I've got some glam touches. This is really such a great idea. Violet, thank you so much for suggesting this playlist. This was so much fun. I'm actually happy that it rained and I couldn't set anything up outside. This is such a cute idea to do for a couple, for a party, a kid's party. You know, that you could, whatever your imagination is, you know, you could just make it happen in your living room, in your backyard. I love the way this looks with the lights off. I love the glow of the fairy lights. And here's another angle of my little setup here. I'm very happy with the way this all turned out. I've never done this before. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think of my Boho Glam picnic? Thank you so much for watching, and please enjoy all the talented creators in the playlist. I thought I would step outside of my comfort zone and try something different, so I'm easing into it with this boho/glam picnic, and I really hope you enjoyed.